Hi guys. So guys, these mini braids are already 1 week old, and as you can see they are very dry. So in this video I'll be moisturizing my mini braids. I'll be showing you all the difference between a dry mini braids and a moisturized mini braids. Okay, this is what my hair looks like before it would be moisturized. This is what it looks like before I'll start my moisturizing routine. Okay, so guys, after the whole moisturizing routine with just water and my hair growth butter, this is what my hair looks like. You can spot the difference, right? My hair looks very soft now and okay, better than before. So guys, these are the reason why I prefer mini braids to mini twists. Mini braids, you can style your hair, you can wash your hair, they last very longer, they don't freeze out easily, unlike mini twists that freeze out easily. You can carry mini braids for a very long time, guys. You can oil your scalp, you can apply your hair growth DIYs or whatsoever. Mini braids are so reliable. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow up for more natural hair videos. Don't also forget to like and share this video. Bye.